Sweetie pies, guess what? Tell us. You just...
Finish the princess scene.
Let me see. Oh my goodness. That, oh my, and it's so perfect. Oh my God, look at that. It's such a perfect sewing. Wow. And what did you say about it?
It looks great.
What?
It looks great.
Yes, it does. So let's put it together. Let's put front and back now together. And then you have sleeves, right? Oh yes, you have sleeves and a collar.
Too much work.
What did you say?
Nothing.
So let's put this over here. And now you're going to do front, match front, right side to right side. So right side to right side, and you're going to do the side seams. Yep, lay this one flat first. Lay this one completely flat first, and then you're going to line up one side and then the other side. Oh, I think this is going to be so cute. Even though this is a proto, right? It might come out so perfect, you'll be able to wear your proto. Wouldn't that be great? Because I really like the stripe. Yep, so right side to right side. And then you're going to do shoulders and side seams now. You're going to line up one at a time. You can do whatever you want first. You want to do the shoulder or you want to do the side seam, whatever you want to do. Here it doesn't matter. What do you want to do? Shoulders or side seam first?
Shoulders.
Okay, so line up one and one. You don't have to worry about what happens at the bottom here. So you do this, pin the ends first. Just pin the end first, and then you do the middle. Because you already done front and back princess seams. Now you're a master princess seam sewer. Right?
Yeah.
I think you've already, now you got 4. Now you're going to whip out the next dress. The next dress is much quicker. So you're going to do shoulders, and then you're going to do side seams. So everybody, stay following our young aspiring fashion designer at the Melo Project Runway. Here we go. Ends first and then the middle. What was your technique? Explain it to me so you know. Tell everybody, how do you do it?
I just do. I don't know.
What's the rule? The ends, right? And then the middle for pinning? I want to hear you say it.
The ends and then the middle.
And then the middle of that and the middle of that, right? Uh-huh. So it's pretty easy, simple, right? No big fuss. Look how easy this stuff would be. All right, everybody. Ciao.